All right, guys, please pardon the amateur iPhone video, but I wanted to get this video out to you and talk about why affiliate marketing as you know it doesn't work and what you need to be doing about it. Now, 96 to 98% of people online doing affiliate marketing are failing. Okay, here's why they're failing. Because 96 to 98% of people are trying to teach other people affiliate marketing on the internet. So you can probably see the big discrepancy there. And then you got these so-called gurus that aren't even actually practicing what they're preaching. So it could be very, very difficult to find somebody that really knows what to teach and how to teach it, because you've got people making 10 grand a month. You got people making 100 grand a month. You got people making all this money, but a lot of these same guys do not know how to teach the newbie how to get to where they're at. A lot of these people don't even know how they got to where they're at. So it's a whole nother skill set to learn to be able to teach what you know, right? And so this is really the problem with affiliate marketing in its current state. And there's so many programs out there that don't cover in detail how to build an online business, right? They cover specific little gaps here and there, but it's as if you have to go out there and figure out this puzzle piece of affiliate marketing on your own. And so what I want to do is I want to give you the opportunity to get access to a program, a system, right, that will show you everything from complete scratch. Now, I know you're already thinking, oh my gosh, this is another thing. I've already seen, thousands of, systems and programs out there. Trust me on this, guys. Trust me. You can try it out for $1. You can see how you like it. You can test drive it. And I promise you, this isn't another one of those things. This is completely different than what everybody's doing out there in the marketplace. This will show you point, click, step by step, the things that you should have discovered weeks, months, and even years ago. I also have a personal Facebook mastermind group. Okay, this is a bonus for getting access to this specific system where I hold weekly calls. We have tons and tons of success stories of people having success. I've got over 600 people inside of this Facebook group. I believe that 90% of your success is in your mentality and getting around the right people. 10% is the technical stuff. If you can have people that motivate you and that keep you in the game and that inspire you and that actually are there for you, that care about your success, right? Your life will change, your life will transform. That's probably something that you didn't have access to in the past. So I want to give you that gift just for trying this out. Go ahead and click the link below. It'll take you to a page where you'll learn a little bit more about this. And I look forward to honestly and genuinely connecting with you soon. This is Josh Elder signing off. Love you, appreciate you, and we'll talk to you soon.